Hello everybody, welcome to the live streams of Global Trade Live. Today is 14th of October and we are now in New York session over here. So let's get started. Okay, I think internet. Hello. Okay, I think now it's working over here. Alright, so the internet is working perfectly fine at this point, and let's get started, guys. So, GBP JPY over here, the current 30-minute candle has created a lower wick, and now it's heading towards upside. But the thing is, now the current 30-minute candle is just having 8 minutes left to close, and in the past 22 minutes, this candle just went down and came up, and now it's going up and down on the same area over here. So let's see if this candle can break the high of the previous candle and can move towards this level over here, because this level is coming from the left. And okay, let's see. Yeah, so we have this clean range over here coming from the left. So I think this will make total sense over here to buy at this point. So look, EuroCAD yesterday, EuroCAD is a fucker over here because it didn't do anything yesterday, and now it just went all the way down. This is really bad about EuroCAD. I really am I'm angry with EuroCAD over here. But anyways, you cannot get angry with the currencies, otherwise you have to pay a big amount of money to them. So let's have a look again over here. GBP JPY, fuck you EuroCAD. Okay, let's oh damn, by looking at GBP JPY, yeah, it just tapped onto that area. Yes, GBP JPY finally tapped over here and break above that area. Now let's just do this thing over here and see now where we are heading towards. So one thing I know, that GBP JPY is going up, right? And the 4-hour current candle is breaking the high of the previous 4-hour candle also. Sorry. And let's check again. Okay, it's about to break the high, but should we or should we stay out of it? What should we do? What should we do? Oh, it just broke above. It almost broke above. 5 minutes left over here. And it rejected that area. Okay, anyways, so GBP JPY over here, let's look at the left where we have our resistance. I think yes, this is our resistance point, but above this is our resistance point, and this is our resistance point. So this is the highest point over here. So I'm gonna what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a line over here, and object list. Okay, I'm gonna put a line over here, and I'm gonna go back, and perfect. So I think GBP JPY with volume, it should be tapping to this level. Sorry, which is 40 pips away from the current price level. And let's look at the 4-hour over here. Yeah, the same thing is happening. And 1 hour, yeah, the market is now respecting these trend lines and now should be moving up. So yesterday market was here and respected the trend line and went up. So analysis was absolutely correct for both GBP JPY and EuroCAD, but as always, I really wanted to catch this move over here. I knew this move was coming up. That's why I wanted to catch this move, but anyways. Look at this. How beautifully EuroCAD just made its move. Beautiful, beautiful. Anyways, okay, let's remove everything from the chart over here. We will be analyzing it again, and so we know that we have a clean range between these two prices, and let's just get some more information. So we had a resistance over here. Let me just this. Okay, and yeah. So we have a resistance over here, and currently the previous candle closed above, and the current 30-minute candle also rejecting this zone over here. So if the current 30-minute candle, which will be closing in 2 minutes, if that candle closes above this zone and the next candle breaks this high over here, that will be a best trade for GBP today, and I think that will be a profitable trade because the momentum is really bullish over here. Now the market has already done its consolidation thing also, so now once it breaks up above, it should be going to this level. And I think the stops will be also small if that happens. Yeah, not small, but average stops will be there. Okay, let's check volume indicator. There's nothing in GBP in volume indicator and EuroCAD. We will talk about EuroCAD later. Yeah. So now 2 minutes left over here. Let's see how this candle will be closing. That will be interesting to see. So candle closed bearish, then the next candle went up. A support has been formed. And let's talk about sells also in GBP. I think let's move to 1 hour and okay, so let's just see what market is telling us. So basically what's happening over here is market went up, created a resistance when this candle closed bearish, then this candle closed bullish, a support was formed, and this candle is now coming down. So if this candle closes bearish, then a resistance will be formed. So if you take this as a resistance and this as a support, then this candle is closing below. All these candles were failed to do, right? So the next candle breaks the low. There is a very high chance that this might go down to test. Oops, what just happened over here? Okay, to test this area, I think, which is 8-9 pips away. But with volume, or if we talk about more retracement, then this will be the full range over here. Alright, so this candle just closed bearish, and 1 hour candle also closed over here. Yeah, I think in 15 minutes we can execute a sell. But all these candles fail to maintain the price below. If this candle breaks the low, let's move to 30 minutes. In 30 minutes we can see over here that this is the support over here, and this candle just closed below the support. If this candle breaks the low, so this candle closed finally below. So much of confusion over here.